Today's topic is addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Let us come to first addition of decimal numbers. Here is question number 1. Add 4.921 plus 11.5. In case of addition, the main things is to first arrange the numbers, the decimal numbers in proper way. See here, 4.921 is the first number. We will write the first number above. Now, second number, first we put the decimal at the place of decimal. On the right side of decimal there is 5, so put 5 just below 9. And on the left side there is 11, 1 just below 4 and 1 here. Now give addition sign. We have to add, but see, two places are vacant just below 2 and 1. So take here 0, 0. Now add 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus carry 1, 6, 1. So addition result we get 16.421. Next is here question number 2, 2.853 plus 18.12. First 2.853 written, then second number 18.12, decimal will come first just below the decimal. On the right side there is 1 and 2, put here 1, 2, vacant place 0. On the left side of decimal 8 and 1, 8, 1. Now add, give addition sign and add. 3 plus 0, 3, 5 plus 2, 7, 8 plus 1, 9, decimal, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer become 20.973. Next, coming to question number 3 is here. Find the sum. Sum means addition. Here 3 decimal numbers are. First is 5.9. We have to again arrange the numbers in proper way. First 5.9. Second number 28.75. Point just below the point. Here 7. Here 5. 8. 2. Vacant place here 0. Third number 6.008. Point at the place of point 008. Vacant place is 0. Here also 0. 6 is on the left side of decimal 6. Addition sign and add. 8 plus 008. 5 plus 005. 9 plus 7. 16. 6. 1 carry. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 5, 14 plus 5, 19 plus carry 1, 20, 0, 2 carry, 2 plus 2, 4. So the sum become 40.658. Second problem, 1.23 plus 14.02 plus 30.102. First number 1.23, second number 14.02, point just below point 0241. Third number decimal at the decimal place 30.102, here 1 0 2, vacant place here 0 0, 30, here is 0, here is 3. Add 2 plus 0 0 2, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 1 4. So 45.352. Next question number 4 is here. Find the sum of these numbers with units are there. 19.5 kilometer plus 3.786 kilometer plus 0.32 kilometer. So first is 19.5. Second is 3.786, point is point here, 7, 8, 6, 2 vacant places are there, 0, 0 and 3 on the left side. Third number is 0.32 kilometer, 0.32 vacant place 0. Write must the units kilometer, 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 kilometer. Now add. So here 6 plus 0, 0, 6, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 7, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1 carry, 16, 6, 1 carry, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 23.606 must write the unit kilometer. So the answer become 23.606 kilometer. Next same type of problem, number B, 6.9 gram, 35.04 gram plus 240.06 gram. First number 6.9, then 35.04, point is here 0, 4, here is 5, 3, here vacant place 0, 240.06, point 06, 0, 4, here 2, add. Must write the units gram. Now add 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 again 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1, 12, again 1 carry, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8 and 2, 282.00 gram, that is 282 gram. So this was about some additions on decimal number. Now we will come to next part, which is subtraction of decimal numbers. Subtraction. See question number 1, subtract 0.47 from 0.59. So 0.59 is the above number. In that case of subtraction, we have to again arrange. For the second number, put the decimal at the decimal place, 470, subtraction sign and do the subtraction. 9 minus 7, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, decimal and 0. So subtraction result become 0.12. Next B number, 2.63 from 3.5. So 3.5 is the above number. Now 2.63, point at the point place, here is 6, 3, vacant place here should be 0 and 2 just below 3. Now subtract. So here 10 minus 3, 7, 1 word from here, so it become 4. 4 minus 6 not possible, so let us take it as 14, borrowing 1 from here, so it become 2. 14 minus 6 is 8. 2 minus 2, 0. 0.87 become the result. Question number C, subtraction number C, 29.38 from 52.2. So 52.2 first number, 52.2 decimal at the decimal place, 3, 8, 2, 9, vacant place here 0. Subtract. 0 means 10 minus 8, 2, 1 borrowing from here, so it become 1. 1 minus 3 not possible, so consider 1 as 11, taking 1 from here, so it become 1 again. 1 minus 9 not possible, so consider 1 as 11, taking 1 from here, so it become 4. Now 11 minus 3 is 8, 11 minus 9 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. So result become 22.82. Here is D number, 350.62 subtracted from 450.752. So first number 450.752. This is the second number 0.62. There is vacant place 0 and 350 here. Subtract 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 2 3, 6 7 minus 6 1.000, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 3 1. So the answer become 100.132. So in this way we can subtract for decimal number. Now coming to question number 2, find the difference. Find the difference number A. Here is 83.9 minus 9.37. So 83.5.9 is the first number, and put the decimal for the second number at the decimal place. 3 7, here is 9, give a 0. Subtract 10 minus 7 3, 1 borrowed from here, so it become 8. 8 minus 3 5. 3 minus 9 not possible, so consider 3 as 13. 1 borrowing from here, so it becomes 7. 13 minus 9 4 7, 74.53. Next B number, 45.45 minus 15.925. So first number is 45.45, second number 15.925. Point at the point place 9 to 5, here will be 0 and 15. Now subtract 10 minus 5 5, 1 borrowing from here, so it become 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 9 not possible, so consider 4 as 14. Borrowing 1 from here, so it become 4. Again 4 minus 5 not possible, so consider it 14. Borrowing 1 from here, so it become 3. So 4 minus 2 2, 14 minus 9 5, 14 minus 5 9, 3 minus 1 2. So the subtraction result become 29.525. Next difference number C, 201 minus 116.56. 201, there is no decimal, so the number having no decimal, its decimal is at the end of the number 200.1. Now for the second number, put the decimal at the decimal place, then 5 and 6, there are 2 vacant place, so 0 0 and 166. Now subtract 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 borrowing from here, so 10 minus 1 9 again, 9 minus 5 4, 1 borrowing from here, so it becomes 0, means consider at 10. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 9, again borrowing 1 from here 1. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, 1 minus 1 0, 34.44. So the result becomes 34.44. Last one is 921.003 minus 725.4. So 921.003, second number, point first at the point place 4, vacant place 2 0 0, here is 5 2 7. Subtract 3 minus 0 3, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 4 minus 0 minus 4 means 10 minus 4 6, 1 borrowing from here, so it becomes 0, consider it as 10. 1 borrowing from here, it becomes 1, 1 minus 2 not possible, consider it as 11. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 8. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 2, 9. 8 minus 7, 1. Result become 195.603. So this was about some difference or subtractions. Now passing to next thing, some simplification, simplify problem. Number A, 4.498 plus 1.72 minus 3.107. In case of plus and minus together, we will first do the addition work. Add between these two number. 4.498 and 1.72, point is here 1720. Add 8, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, carry 1, 4 plus 7, 11 plus 1, 12. 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6. Result is 6.218. Sum of these two number becomes 6.218. Now for the third number, subtract 3.107. So arrange this number just below it, 0.1073. Subtract 8 minus 7, 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3.111. So the result become 3.111. Simplify number B. 23.95 minus 11.70 plus 18.63. Here we have to first arrange. First addition. First number will remains as its place. Now this addition of 18.63 will come first here, and then this subtraction goes at the last, minus 11.70. First add between these two number. So here 23.95 and 18.63, 0.63, 18, add 5 plus 3, 8, 9 plus 6, 15, 5, 1 carry, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12, 2, 1 carry, 2 plus 2, 4, 42.58, 42.58, then subtract 11.70, 11.70, subtract 8, 5 means 15 minus 7, 8, 1 borrowing from here, 0, 4 minus 1, 3, 30.88. So the answer become 30.88. Question number C is here. 43.63 minus 17.23 minus 9.073. Here successively two times subtraction. First we will do this subtraction and then this one. So 43.63 minus 17.23. 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 3, 13 minus 7, 6, 1 borrowing from here, so it become 2, 26.40, and then third number minus 9.073. Arrange this third number just below it, 9.073. Here is a gap, so take 0, subtract 10 minus 3, 7, 1 borrowing from here, so it become 9 minus 7, 2, 1 borrowing from here, so it become 3, 6 means here 16 minus 9, 7, 1 borrowing from here, so 7, 1, 17.327. So in this way we can do the simplification of decimal numbers. Now coming to some word problems on addition and subtraction. Here is word problem number 1. A shopkeeper has 325.750 kg of wheat, 123.456 kg of rice and 25.65 kg of gram in stock. How much grains are there all in the shopkeeper's stock? So wheat in stock equal to this quantity 325.750 kg. Next is rice in stock (123.456). Point is here 456 kg, 123, 1, 2, 3, and gram in stock this quantity. .65 here is 0 kg 25. We have to find how much grains are there in all in the shopkeeper's stock. So, total grains, find out total grains equal to, we have to add this. So, 6006, 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 5, 1 carry, 6 plus 4 10 plus 7 17 plus 1 18 8, again 1 carry, 5 plus 3 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14 4, 1 carry, 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 1 4, 474.856 kg. This is the total quantity of grains in stock. So, this become the answer. Coming to next word problem number 2. Here is the problem number 2. A water tanker of 200 liter capacity is filled with 127.5 liter of water. How much of it is lying empty? So, size of the water tank to capacity of the water tank is 200 liter, but it is filled with 127.5 liter of water. How much is lying empty, that we have to find. So, here capacity of the water tank (200 liter), okay, and water filled how much liter water filled? 127.5. Here is no point, so after 200 completing point 127.5, there is a vacant place, take 0 liter. How much of it is lying empty? So, empty space or empty space equal to, we have to subtract 10 minus 5, 5, 1 borrowing from here, so it become 2 decimal 2, again 1 borrowing from here, so it become 7, 1 borrowing from here, 1 minus 1 0, 72.5 liter. So, empty water tank parts empty is 72.5 liter. So, how much of it is lying empty? Therefore, 72.5 liter of the water tank lying empty. Okay. Next, problem number 3. What should be subtracted from 31.1 to get 8.65? See, 31.51 is the number from which we have to subtract to get 8.65. So, in that case we have to subtract 31.1 and subtract 8.65, properly arranged. Subtract 10 minus 5 is 5, 1 borrowing from here So it become 10 minus 6 4, again 1 borrowing from here, 10 minus 8 2, 1 borrowing from here 2, 22.45. So therefore 22.45 should be subtracted from 31.1 to get 8.65. This becomes the answer. Next is problem number 4. What problem number 4? By how much should 50 be decreased to get 31.5? So in that case we have to again subtract 50 means 50.0 and 31.5, subtract 10 minus 5 is 5, 1 borrowing from here, so 10 minus 2 is 8, 1 borrowing from here 1, 18.5. Therefore 18.5 should be decreased from 50 to get 31.5. This becomes the answer. So in this way we can solve some word problems on addition and subtraction. With this topic is completed. Next we will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.